What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another comparison, a versus video. This is just because it seems like you guys wanted to see this. I got flooded with messages actually asking for certain things here and there. I'm gonna get to those comparisons, but I figured this was gonna be kind of interesting. Now, these are all waterless washes. The only difference is these two more so are talking about leaving waxes and stuff behind. This talks about how it's polycharged, so I'm assuming it's leaving polymers. Anyway, what we're gonna do, I have a very dirty truck, and this is what I'm gonna start testing more on. I was gonna polish this recently, and then I completely ran out of time. My scheduling got messed up, so this year I will polish this at some point and put some kind of protection on it. But for right now, what I'm curious is a vehicle that has very little protection, a vehicle that's always outside, a vehicle that's the epitome of a daily driver. But we are completely filthy. I mean, like, stupid dirty. So my theory here is I'm gonna give each one of these a panel. We're gonna test it out. I have Eagle Edgeless 500 towels, and then I've got Drago red towels that I just prefer for buff off. It's just my theory. I do not really like the 500s or 600s. I like the 350s, but they're in the wash currently, so I might switch to that during other testing. And by the way, other testing sort of like this. This could be a good test. Wax Gods, who's not really in the news anymore for detailing world, as far as I'm concerned, that's a waterless wash and wax. And that's Adam's CS3, which is another pretty much waterless wash and wax. But today we're having a threesome. Hide your kids, hide your wife, don't tell anybody, sit down, relax, let's do it. Let's just do this. So this is fresh for me, this is fresh for me. And by the way, this is a completely new mixture. This is not diluted at all. This is just Ethos Defy, completely straight up. So let's try this first. And this is Carpro ECH20 Echo 2, whatever, however you want to say it. It's all shook up. We're gonna try this out with the, again, Eagle Edgeless 500. Let's see what we got. Now, just so you know, my truck has, that must be a new rust spot, but you can see there is an absurd amount of dust and dirt. I don't take care of this thing that much. I don't know what in God's green earth that is. It looks like Wolverine came and attacked me. But for each of these, I'm going to do what I always say. I'm pretty much going to saturate the panel. Now, what I can say is this comes out much thicker than the other ones. It's got like a creamy thing going on. So we're going to just take our towel. We're going to do our little swoop up and wipe and flip and just keep doing that. Go to a clean side. Just so we're on the same page, I'm not going to get too crazy with technique. Well, I'll get a scum water here because there are swirls all over this paint. So again, we're just going to mist after we do our initial wipe. I do this every single time. I'm going to take a fresh Drago. Each one has its own fresh towel, and then we're going to just buff it in. What I can say, definitely feels smooth. Feels pretty smooth. So I would say it's as advertised. I've used this before and I've gotten some pretty good results. I feel like they might have tweaked something. I farted. I feel like they might have tweaked something since the last time I did use it, but the towel did its job. It did pick up the scummy scums, and that's that. Now, fresh towel, fresh situation. I'm gonna go to this one. Let's do the driver's side door, and we're gonna take the one that I'm always bragging about, Ultima Waterless. Now, just so you know, there is a price difference, substantial price difference for these. The Carpro is better than the Defy in pricing, but Ultima just blows them all away. So we're kind of not talking about pricing. We're talking about, in a perfect world where money doesn't matter, what would you want to put on your car? And as I say, do you see how this flashes so quickly? It picks up the scum and it flashes. I've told you guys this many, many times. I don't think a lot of people believe me though. Look at that. Come on. It's gross, man. So now, just some mist on the panel. Take our towel and we buff off. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, like let's see. It flashes so crazy. I don't know, guys. I think Ultima's slicker. There's no way. There's no way. So we're gonna go here, gentle. I'm like barely applying any pressure, and it's super, it glides. It glides very nicely. And I go over here. It does glide, but it's hard to explain. It feels like there's ever so slight of a grab. Now, this is kind of crazy that it's even smoother, in my opinion, than the Carpro, and look at all the stuff it picked up. I mean, there was a lot. That I would say that that door had more dirt on it than, yeah, by far. By far. The door for Ultima had more dirt on it than the one. Yeah, come on, look at this. Can't fake the funk, guys, come on. Alright, now here's the one I'm like totally serious about here. I really do like Ethos. They've been hitting the mark with a lot of their products. Oh, look at that, that's so funny. Hi! They've been hitting the mark with a lot of their products. Give it a nice shake. Now this door, is there more rust? This truck ain't gonna survive. So this, we're gonna do it again. Just like the other two. I don't even think we need this much. Definitely a pleasant smell. I'd say out of the three, I like the waterless wash from Ultima, the smell better. And I would say Ethos second, Carpro third. So let's take our brand new, fresh, our third towel. And we're gonna go in. Now that is very much more comparable to Ultima. How it just, you're doing a wipe, you're getting the funk, but it's not leaving the residue, which is what makes the waterless washes not as enjoyable to me. When you're sitting there and you're having to deal with, you know, buffing too much off and having all these extra steps. So we're just gonna mist our panel. We Again, third, completely clean, unmolested towel. All right, now let's do our test. Guys, I'm sorry. You're not even gonna believe me if I say it. You're just not gonna believe me. This is how I'm gonna do this. It slows down. I swear to God, it literally, I'm walking gentle, some slight grab, picks up. It picks up. It's definitely smoother. I don't know. That's wild to me. All right. So, wow. I don't know. This is a tough one. All right. So what's my final determination here? This is tough for me. This is tough for me. Just obviously it's an opinion-based thing. It's an opinion-based thing. I think Ultima Waterless Wash, I think, is the winner here for slickness. I think for sure second is Ethos. It's got to be Ethos. Third, Carpro. That's gonna probably shock some people, but one of the biggest things for me is lubricity and flash off. I feel like those are the two biggest characteristics for me. Obviously, smell also. Carpro smell isn't horrible by any means, but it's just not as pleasant as Ultima and Defy. I don't think so. But honestly, it's so much more slick. It's like a joke how much more slick that is. What I can say, and I feel like the Ethos is definitely tossing a little bit more of a gloss, I think, than the Ultima. But I feel like what you could do and what you should honestly do is somehow combine these two. So I feel like you could waterless wash with Ultima and then just do a quick spritz on top with Ethos Defy. Or what you could do is waterless wash. Like you could split it up, right? You could do this way. You could waterless wash with Ultima and use Resist. Ethos just came out with a product called Resist, which is like their protection only, not a cleaner. But I feel like either one of these could be a winner, but on my opinion, wow, that's dust and dirt. That's bad there. I feel like my opinion is Ultima first, Defy second, and Carpro third. And that's tough to say. Now, if you're going by budget friendly, I would switch Defy and Carpro because that can be diluted quite a bit. So if you're talking about budget, for sure, still number 1, 2, 3. If you're talking about usage and you're not really caring too much about budget and you just want a good, pleasant experience, pleasant smell, pleasant everything, and have that feeling, because we're detail out of a necessity for stress relief, I would say Ultima Waterless Wash Concentrate plus Defy Echo. And you can see this did pick up quite a bit more than the Echo. Alright, well, you could take that for what you want of it. Again, I'm going to do these comparisons on dirty ass vehicles. I'm probably going to film one of these two on the other side, and I don't care. So it's my opinion. You can chime in, and as always, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below of other comparisons. Do you want me to take Ultima and go compete with Adam's Slick and Slide? Do you want me to do... Now here's another good one. This is a very good product. Don't sleep on this one. Grail's Garage Spray on Car Wash. I really like that. Wowo's has a waterless wash that I actually very much like. Even this, you might not even know this existed. Poor Boy Spray and Wipe, very much a very nice product. Then there's this. So this is a rinseless car wash by Owner's Pride. I can get involved in that. There's just so many products. We can even start messing around with like detail sprays, start comparing those. I do want to eventually start comparing tire dressings. We're going to compare wheel cleaners. We're going to compare foamers. We're going to compare all-in-one polishes. We're going to compare window cleaners. That's a video I already filmed. We're going to compare all-purpose cleaners. I've got so many of those, including products you might not have ever heard of. So many things to talk about. So little time in life. So many car shampoos. Stay tuned, guys. But again, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. It does mean a lot. I appreciate that. If you are an OCD OG, I love you. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate that. That's all we have for today. This is the mess we ended up with, but it's okay. Now I've got one half of my vehicle clean, and I'm going to end up probably filming that, because this is already far too long. I'll see you guys on the next one.